Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the 5 amazing GitHub projects that are trending right now. Whether you are a developer, tech enthusiast, or just curious, there is something here for you. So let's get started. The first app is the Bluesky social app. So what is it? The Bluesky social app is a decentralized social media platform that provides an alternative to traditional platforms like Twitter or Facebook. It is built on Authenticated Transfer Protocol (AT protocol), which focuses on user control, portability of offline identity, and interoperability. So the key features of this one is decentralization. Unlike centralized platforms, users control their data and identities. Cross-platform, it's available for web, iOS, and Android, and also customizable feeds. Users can curate their content preferences and choose what to see. It's also open source. The source code is publicly available, encouraging transparency and community contribution. So why does it matters? It matters because Bluesky aligns with a growing trend toward decentralization in tech, empowering users to escape the monopolistic control of the big tech companies. It supports a healthier digital ecosystem by reducing censorship and promoting data ownership. I'll be leaving the link to the tool inside the description of this video. The next project I want to cover is called ToolJet. So what is it? ToolJet is an open source low-code platform designed to simplify the development of internal business applications. It allows users to visually create apps by dragging and dropping components, integrating with databases, APIs, and cloud storage. Key features of this application is drag and drop builder, over 45 pre-built components including forms, tablets, and charts. Database support integrates with PostgreSQL, MongoDB, Elasticsearch, Airtable, and more. And also the third-party services like connects to APIs and services like Stripe, Slack, and Google Sheets. Team collaboration offers features like multiplier editing for teams. Custom logic, users can write custom code in JavaScript, TypeScript for advanced functionalities. So why does it matters? ToolJet is ideal for companies looking to build quick, cost-effective solutions without heavy reliance on software engineers. It enables both developers and non-developers to create apps for managing tasks, tracking inventory, and visualizing data. The third app I want to cover today is called Llama Recipes. So what is it? Llama Recipes is a set of scripts and demos for fine-tuning the Llama language model. It supports advanced training techniques like fully shared data parallelism (FSDP) and parameter-efficient fine-tuning (PEFT), making it highly scalable and efficient for different hardware setups. Key features of this one: it's fine-tuning scripts, ready-to-use scripts for training Llama models on various datasets. Demo applications includes practical implementations for WhatsApp and Messenger bots. A GPU optimization works on multiple GPUs for efficient model training. Customization allows developers to tailor Llama models for specific tasks. Why does it matter? As a large language model, LLMs like OpenAI's GPT gain prominence. The ability to customize and optimize these models for specific use cases is invaluable. This project empowers developers to build personalized AI applications from chatbots to document summaries. The fourth project is called Diagrams. Diagrams as code. So what is it? Diagram is a Python library that enables developers to create cloud system architecture diagrams through code rather than traditional graphic interfaces. It's a valuable tool for prototyping and documenting architectures. Key feature of this one is provider supports cover major cloud providers like AWS, Azure, GCP, Kubernetes, and Alibaba Cloud. On-premise support includes options for private infrastructure, version control. Diagrams are stored as code, enabling version tracking and collaboration. Flexibility allows visualization of existing architecture or new designs. So why does it matter? Creating architecture diagrams in a time-consuming task for cloud engineers and architects. Diagrams streamlines the process by automating diagram creation, ensuring accuracy, and integrating seamlessly into the DevOps workflows. The fifth project I want to cover today is called Chat2DB. So what is it? Chat2DB is an AI-powered database management tool and SQL client. It simplifies database interaction by offering intelligent SQL development, reporting, and data exploration capabilities. Key feature of this one, so it's multi-database support compatible with MySQL, PostgreSQL, Redis, MongoDB, and more. AI-driven SQL queries automatically suggest and optimizes SQL queries. Data Insights provides visual data analysis and intelligent reporting. Custom models integrates with LLMs like Inter LLM for enhanced AI functionality. And now, why does it matters? Managing databases is a complex task, especially for non-experts. Chat2DB lowers the barrier by making data management intuitive and accessible, making it ideal for both professionals and businesses. So those 5 projects, guys, I want to cover in today's video. I'll be leaving the links to each of those projects inside the description of it. If you have any questions, just leave it down below. Thank you very much for watching, and bye now.